Eat better.
Smooth Gefixt, ouwe.
Take care about nature. For this crafting project, you want to be looking for a nicely curved piece of wood, preferably a hardwood with no side branches, which could cause a weakness in your boomerang. Here I found a nice piece of seasoned oak, known for its hardness. This is going to be a survival boomerang, also known as a throwing stick. It is supposed to fly in a straight path and doesn't return. I first flatten both sides of the boomerang as good as possible. My boomerang's curvature has a long end and a short end. The long end will be the handle side of the boomerang, and it is being thrown with the curved part towards the throwing direction. Note that with the boomerang having a top and a bottom, it does matter if you're left or right-handed. I'm making a right-handed boomerang. Now the top part of the boomerang will be shaped round, while the bottom stays flat or just a little bit rounded off. Definitely need some fine tuning. Got about 45 meters. Let's do some more carving. I made the boomerang a little thinner, thus lighter and more aerodynamic. Folks, got our target, Mr. Moss, over there. Work on this technique now. Fine-tuning a boomerang so that it maintains a straight path is a real skill and will ask for a lot of experience and practice. And so is throwing one properly. But despite me and you probably being absolute beginners, we can definitely have some fun. Almost. It's a bit far now. I'm moving the target a little closer, 25 meters. It would be doable, but it's also not so realistic. This is a far distance to hunt anyway. By the way, I don't want to encourage anyone to hunt with these boomerangs. You know, it's often illegal even. But good fun in the quarantine days. Okay, about 17 meters away from Mr. Moss. Ouchie, wouchie, definitely hit something. Oei, oei, oei. Mr. Moss, still in good shape. But over there. Uh-oh. Hacked it all through. Ah, that thing was on his way out anyway. Another part here. Oh, again, almost the camera. In memoriam of Mr. Moss and my Yobi tripod. One of my first filming tools. We've been on many adventures, but you are always so flimsy, losing legs without abuse. I glued you up a dozen times, but now the day has come for you to go. Peace. Crafting a boomerang, definitely a fun project. You know, everybody can make a throwing stick of some kind, and that's a lot of fun, and it will swing. But the real fine tuning of it definitely requires some skill. Credits to Felix Imner for the inspiration of this project. Started it initially with him. Today we're making boomerangs. Yes. Yeah, I'm not so sure about YouTube these days. Do the likes really matter? Smash that like button anyways. For this it would have been awesome to have Jaeger on my side, getting the stick back. Actually, Jaeger will be back next week with Dylan. Some other real cool projects coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Every Friday we're back again. And the Smooth Gefixt favorite of this week, the bow making battle. If you mess up, your bow breaks, you lose everything. And also consider supporting us on Patreon. Thanks a lot to all our supporters making these videos possible.
Another challenge complete.